How to unhide apps on iPhone iOS 18. Hiding and unhiding apps on your iPhone is essential for maintaining privacy and preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. Prior to iOS 17, Apple lacked a robust feature for locking or hiding apps. Fortunately, iOS 18 introduces a dedicated option that allows you to lock and hide individual apps, ensuring that they remain inaccessible without biometric authentication or a passcode. This feature is particularly useful for privacy-conscious users who wish to keep certain apps confidential. Let's delve into the steps involved in hiding and unhiding apps in iOS 18. Unhide apps in iOS 18. Unhiding apps in iOS 18 is as simple as hiding them. The app will be automatically added to your home screen once you unhide it. Follow these steps to move apps from the hidden folder to your iPhone's home screen. Step 1. On the home screen, swipe left past all the pages to go to App Library. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Hidden Folder. Step 3. Now, authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to see apps hidden on your iPhone. Step 4. Now, long press the app icon you wish to unhide and choose Don't require Face ID. Step 5. Upon authentication, that app will go to the recently added folder in the App Library. Finally, long press the app icon and choose Add to Home Screen. That's how you can unhide apps in iOS 18.